In the fast-paced world of technology, pursuing a coding career can be an exhilarating journey. However, many budding developers stumble into a common pitfall that can derail their progress: the inability or unwillingness to embrace continuous learning. This mistake often stems from initial success or the comfort of familiarity with certain programming languages and tools, leading to complacency. When developers rest on their laurels, they risk becoming obsolete in an industry defined by rapid change and innovation. As technology evolves, frameworks and languages shift and new methodologies emerge. The programming languages once deemed cutting edge can quickly fade into the background. Without a commitment to lifelong learning, developers may find themselves stuck with outdated skills, unable to adapt to new demands. The impact of this mistake goes beyond individual career stagnation. It can affect job security, employability, and overall satisfaction in the field. Employers seek professionals who are not only proficient but also demonstrate a clear interest in developing their skill sets further. So, how can developers avoid this critical mistake? First, they must cultivate a growth mindset, believing that their abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Pursuing online courses, attending workshops, and participating in coding bootcamps can offer fresh knowledge and skills. Additionally, engaging with the community through forums, conferences, and meetups facilitates learning from others' experiences, creating a network of support and inspiration. Regularly setting aside time to work on personal projects can also reinforce learning while keeping coding skills sharp. Moreover, it's crucial to embrace feedback and seek mentorship. Learning from seasoned professionals can provide valuable insights into both technical skills and career progression. Every piece of criticism and advice should be viewed as an opportunity for growth rather than an affront. Lastly, staying curious and exploring new technologies, even if they seem far from one's current expertise, is vital in a coder's toolkit. It ensures that they remain versatile, innovative, and relevant in the competitive landscape of technology, paving the way for advancement and success.